How are you going to get that in the car? How are you going to... how are you going to untie it? You might need to pour some water on that. Oh, hello and welcome back. You join us on a very cold and frosty morning. It's -5. We have come down to check on the boat. I know Steve's had a few sleepless nights worrying about her, how cold she's been. So the carpenter's been doing some work this week on some bits inside. We potentially thought we might be able to move her back, but we're not going nowhere because the canal is completely frozen.
Yeah, and Lloyd's not quite finished because it's been like -20 a week. You can't work
It hasn't been that cold.
You can't work efficiently in this, can you, blimey?
No, so we're going to go inside and have a look and see what progress has been made. You can tell a good work person when they bring their own dust sheets,
Yeah.
which is good. Oh, so if you remember, I'll show you a before. Here is the after. So Lloyd's been filling our speaker holes, and it's good for us because we do want to make this really homely with some nice pictures and photos and stuff. So to have that flush and be able to put stuff up and it not be a big cold hole to the hull is a really great thing. And you know,
you're never going to get it exactly out. You're never going to be
you're never going to match the wood
because the wood's different colours. It gets tarnished by the sun, doesn't it?
And you can see, like, well, we'll show you in a bit where the headboard was. You can totally see the change in colour from it being in the light and everything. So yeah, happy with that.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Good
So that's
stuff.
one speaker hole.
So that'd be a good place for your birthday present, actually, wouldn't it?
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah. Once we figured out how to hang it up, and we might have to get a new frame because something's a bit knackered. Put that up there.
Yay! Yeah. Looking good. So again, another place we can have some pickies. Right, I'm so excited to see.
I can't remember what else we asked him to do. Fireplace.
Oh my goodness! Oh, look at that!
So different, isn't it?
So here's the before. And here is mid-progress.
Oh yeah, he's still got that edge to do. I mean, come on, Lloyd, it's only -8. What's up with you?
Oh, lovely skirting around the front. We just need to do a little bit of grout filler on that.
God, that's got cold and peeled off. I'm going to clean the fire out before we go home today. And then when we come back to move the boat in the next week or whenever,
amazing.
just get the fire.
Look at that lovely shelf.
That is a chunky bit of wood, isn't it? I wonder where he got that from.
Great. Look how lovely he's finished the corner.
Yeah. Well, nice.
Lovely. Nice.
He's got that. That's like flush as a flush thing.
Yeah, that's great.
We're going to put like a probably. We've got some spare rails from the windows that used to go across with like net curtains that you don't like.
Yes, I just.
So
need
we're going to put maybe one, possibly even two. We don't know yet. Rails across, and then we can obviously put some hooks and hang things. But he's done that bit there.
Nice.
He's done that edge.
Lovely skirting
Done across
on
the
bottom.
front. He's done such a good job of making it look nice. You can see our mistakes with the tiles. So thanks, Lloyd.
No, we knew that. We knew we'd have to fill that bit in.
Yeah, it's a bit.
It's fine.
Bit
It's
of a
just a little bit. No, it's not a mistake. A little bit of grout will be perfect.
Maybe.
Right, the bed. The bed. Excited for the bed.
After you.
Oh my gosh, it looks so different.
Oh my God, it does, doesn't it?
Oh wow. So we'll clip in the before. And then here's the after. So he's taken away that whole panel that went down there. It really does show you how small that is. And that's what I mean by the difference in the wood from it just being exposed to light.
This bit here is shadow. This is, oh, where are we?
Yeah.
This is the shadow. This would have been the natural colour of the wood, I suppose. No, this would have been the colour of the wood when it was first put in, I presume. And this is where it's been...
Yeah, because that was fixed
like
on
affected by the sunlight and
well,
UV
actually,
rays
that
and all
bit
that.
wasn't too bad where that shelf's
I bet that was a pig to come off, but you can see the screws obviously through there, and they'd have been screwed from the other side. So
and actually, you can see that this mattress could have actually been a bit bigger anyway. So we've got some plans of how we're going to expand that. But yeah, oh my God, it's so exciting.
what is it?
It's so exciting. I love it. I love that we can think about how we want it, and then obviously our woodwork skills are not good enough. We're just so lucky that we know Lloyd, and we met Lloyd, so yeah.
Oh, it's frozen on the inside of the windows. We've still got some work to do on these windows. We've decided now that they're not leaking. It was all just condensation, but obviously it's done a lot of damage to the woodwork around the frame. So
I did see something on Facebook where a lady had sewn together some microfiber fabric, and then but she makes sure it touches the metal,
well, it absorbs
and then it will wick it away from the frame rather than it dripping down and pooling and then wiping it away. And she just has like a set of them, so she can, or 2 sets, so she can dry a set while one set's on, and then just swap them over each day.
Yeah, because you're never going to stop the condensation, are you? It's just a case of trying to stop it from damaging the woodwork.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's all good then. Start the engine then.
Good. So,
Run.
what are your plans for today then? While we're here,
We're gonna check the engine over, the engine bay, give that a run, warm everything up. Might put the heating on for a little while. Maybe not. I don't know. Probably not actually. We're gonna measure up properly for the bed, for our plan for the bed extension bit. We're gonna get the centre line off and take that home because I managed to snap that, so it's broken, and I've watched the YouTube video, so therefore I'm now an expert. We're going to splice that back together so that we can reuse that. What else are we going to do? I'm going to check how much diesel we've got, because I wanted to get some more diesel. I'm sure we've got enough, but I might top up a little bit.
So we're going to have an hour here doing that.
Oh, are we? Okay.
And then we're going to go for a walk to the cafe boat.
Oh, yeah.
Have coffee and cake.
Also going to clean the fire out.
And then we'll come back. Yeah, well, while you're doing the engine, I'll do the fire.
Okay. Well, let's unload the car first, actually. In fact, I might as well start the engine first, leave that running.
Yep.
And then we'll go and unload the car. Verily, you can see me, all right? We take the cover off, but it's much, you can't really do it from the inside. You have to go on the outside and do it. And I do not want to be walking down the gunnels on the boat today. I'm quite glad we're not moving it today.
Yeah.
It would have been a nightmare.
It would have been awful. I'd have never got those lock paddles done.
No, it would have been hard work. So we're just going to do it from the inside. So sorry, the light's not brilliant. But let's have a look. It doesn't look particularly frozen. I'm not sure if we've got a new oil leak or not, because when we left last week there was a patch of oil, but I wasn't sure if it's leaked down into the sump there. But I don't know if it was hydraulic oil from the bow thrusters or not, so I don't really know. But let's check everything and find out. It's not more oil in the. It's not leaked out. It's been sat here. So water's good. Oil's good. Everything looks alright. Come on then. Let's see if she wants to start. I mean, it's making all the right noise. It is. Warm the old glow plugs up. Oh, look at that, it's starting to smoke. Good start then, isn't it?
She's started.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to get on with the fire. Oh, right, we've had enough. It's freezing.
That one needs fixing.
Right, see how defrosted your rope isn't. Steady Eddie.
I'll just fold it. There you go.
Right, let's go get some hot stuff inside us.
Hot stuff.
Hot stuff. Look at ice.
Look how it's drained and the ice has stayed stuck to the gate. Wow.
Well, it just look, you look through the camera, it just looks like we're in a black and white world. That's mad. Right, hot coffee. So warm belly, warm fingers, cold toes.
Yep.
Nice egg roll. You had a bacon
Beautiful
roll.
coffee.
Lovely coffee. I've got some cake for pudding.
Coffee cake though, it's illegal. Should be
It's
banned.
not actually coffee cake. I just said that so you wouldn't eat it.
Did you? Ah, bloody hell.
Yeah, so Daisy's Baking Buddy. If they're ever about, follow them on Facebook. Check them out. Yeah, bacon rolls, egg rolls, paninis, cake.
Well worth a visit.
Biscuits for the doggies if you come for a walk.
Don't know about cats though.
Yeah,
Don't know
I
for
don't know.
cats.
Maybe they do cheese. There's tuna.
Okay,
A
that'd be
tuna
nice.
panini for your
But no,
cat.
definitely worth it. And support small businesses.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, let's go back to the car. I'm
Right, let's
freezing.
go. We are off to the boat. It's 7:30. It's 1 degree. The car is frosty. Let's go pick up our girl. Take her back to the marina. Must be time for tea and biscuits.
Top lock at Stockton Flight. What a lovely little morning, hasn't
Great.
it?